naghihintay, naghahanap, nagdarasal. No one expected this to happen, but God had other plans, and He answered in the most unexpected way.
Yes! Nakita ko na siya sa Facebook. Woo! Ayos! Yes, yes!
Scene zoned! Ouch!
Nakita ko, adventurous pala siya. So, G, friend request accepted! Parehong hindi alam kung paano magsisimula. Pero, sige lang, kaya naman pala.
Nung naglalakad siya, mukha siyang mataray. Pero syempre, relax lang ako. Confidence is key.
Day, mali ang hawak mo. Sabay, wow. Baka mahulog ka. Ano ka ba? Ano na ganyan? Ganyan. Up. Hawak ka na. Hawak ka ayos. Yan.
It is the effort and love that made long distance felt like no distance at all. Parang kapitbahay lang, kahit Malvar from Taguig pa yan.
Making my way downtown, walking fast, faces pass and I'm homebound. Staring blankly ahead, just making my way through the crowd. And I need you, and I miss you, and now I wonder if
Parang sweet mo ngayon.
Siyempre, lagi akong sweet para sa'yo.
would pass me by, 'cause you know I'd walk 1,000 miles if I can just see you.
Maganda, no? Sino? Andiyan yung Statue of Liberty.
Parang ang ganda rin ng panahon ngayon. Very special. Ang ganda oh! Ay, ang ganda! Oh, Luis!
Day, ayaw na kita maging girlfriend. Gusto na kita maging asawa. Will you marry me?
Of course! It's a yes!
And I miss you, and now I wonder if I could fall into the sky.
Sa biyahe ng buhay, may mga liko, may mga stopover. Pero ang pinakamahalaga, they will always have each other, riding towards forever. And this is their ultimate ride. Hindi lang basta sakay, kundi kasama sa bawat simula, bawat liko, at bawat destinasyon ng pagmamahal. From scene zoned to forever.